Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am so excited because I am co-hosting the Fall Bar Cart collaboration for 2020 with one of my beautiful and fabulous sisters, and she's fabulous because it's in her name, Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Now, what Marilyn wanted us to do, she wanted us to style out a bar cart for the upcoming season and share a drink or make a drink, whichever one you prefer, that you are enjoying this time of year. But before I show you my bar cart, which is behind me, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to double click that bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. So right now, I am going to share with you my bar cart for fall 2020. I hope this inspires you, so be inspired and be blessed. So here's my fall bar cart styling for 2020. So let me show you around. I'm going to start with this artwork here. What I like to do, I like to change out the artwork in these frames. These frames came with some coastal pictures in them, but again, I like to change them out with whatever I'm doing on this bar cart. And this is some DIY artwork that I did. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this like marble effect, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to show you what I've done. But I did 2 of them, and I love how they turned out. They're beautiful with the navy blue, the white, silver, gold, and copper. Now on my bar cart, I have this lamp that stays on the bar cart. This lamp I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And Mr. Squirrel is making his debut. I've had this squirrel for a couple of years, and he will always be in my fall collection, my fall decor collection. And what I love to do with him each year is tie a ribbon around his neck. It's actually a cookie jar, but I tie a ribbon around his neck and add totally Dazzled bling to the bow. This squirrel I picked up from Marshall's about 3 or 4 years ago. And then to pair with him, I have that silver acorn that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And they have that every year, guys. And I just placed a little pick also from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby can be your best friend when it comes to seasonal decor. This is not a sponsored video, I'm just saying. Now in the middle I have these copper glasses, champagne glasses. I've had these for a couple of years as well. I wish I could find another set, so I'm on the lookout for them, that I picked up from Marshall's. Very beautiful in that copper tone, and I just have them sitting on my Lazy Susan bling turntable here. So pretty. And over here I have an ice bucket that I picked up clearance last year. So when I saw this ice bucket, I knew what I wanted on my bar cart for this year. I picked it up in Ross after the season. I don't even think I paid $10 for it, if I paid $6 for it. But beautiful copper ice bucket. And I just placed some Peony's flowers that I ordered from Amazon in that bucket to give me a pop of that blue with the copper. Now down below I have a two-tiered stand that I've placed picks, pumpkins, leaves on, but that can be easily changed out to appetizers when in use. I also have some copper acorns from Hobby Lobby as well on it. But I use things that I already had in my home. Next to it is a copper shaker, pineapple shaker and tumbler that I found a couple of years ago, clearanced at Walmart. I wish I could find another of one of those pineapple cups there. But when I saw them, I knew I had to have them, and I knew I could put it on this bar cart here. And lastly, I have this cupcake Ferris wheel in the copper tone. So if I wanted to serve cupcakes, I could, the mini cupcakes. And at the base of the Ferris wheel, I just have more pumpkin picks and pumpkins. The bar cart itself is a Amazon find. It was painted. It was gold, and I painted it, spray painted it silver. So here's my bar cart for the fall 2020. I absolutely love it. So guys, the drink that I am enjoying right now, it's nothing special. It's actually kind of good for you. And it's this Fit and Active tea and lemon. This is what I'm enjoying now, packs like this added into my water. So I'm keeping it simple, no fuss. It feels like it's like a sugary drink, but it's not. And again, it's good for you, giving you flavor in your water. This is what I'm sipping on right now. I would like to thank Marilyn for asking me to co-host this collaboration with her. This is a seasonal collab that she does. I enjoy participating in them. She's actually the one that inspired me to get a bar cart for inside my home. So please go over and show Marilyn some love. Go over to her channel. Tell her that Kimberly sent you, as well as take a look at the playlist that will be listed in the description box down below, the playlist and her channel link. I know, and I cannot wait to see all of the beautiful bar carts on display today. You will gain so much inspiration from them all. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys, have a blessed day, and be safe. I'll talk to you real soon.